Yeah, so stay 2 blocks away from this wonderful place. Come here to swim and have just the best time of my life. Anytime and every time I want to kind of reprogram myself, this is the place that I come to. But it's usually in the car, it's not on the motorcycle, so you don't get to see me do all that. This the kind of stuff that I do on the bike. I don't do that over here. Once or twice I've been here on the bike and I've also made a video. But yep, this is this lovely place that I frequent. Okay fellas, time to head back on. Okay fellas, so we're joined by Shakti. This is where the off-road begins. Nice one, huh? அப்படிங்களா? ஸ்விம் பண்ணுவீங்களா? ஸ்விம்மிங் இல்லையா? சூப்பர் சூப்பர். எனக்கும் ஸ்விம் பண்ணால் தான் பிடிக்கும். குவாரி போய் ஸ்விம் பண்ணாமல் வந்தால் கடுப்பாயிருது எனக்கு. ஆ அப்படியா? சூப்பர். எப்படி இருக்குது ஹிமாலயன் டு 390? அவ்வளோதான் முடியுதுல? ஓகே. சரி, ஒரு ஷாட் ஒன்று எடுக்கலாம். 2 பேரும் போயிட்டு ஒன்றா வரல, அந்த பக்கம் இந்த பக்கம் சும்மா வீடியோக்காக. I mean, this is quite a decent jump. I would say this would be a very linear jump. Very nice, very comfortable linear jump. So the height difference between the ground and this point would be somewhere around 5 to 6 feet. So you kind of climb up that ramp and you propel yourself. The last time I landed somewhere about here, and this time the landing kind of went ahead and I landed somewhere here. So this time it was a crazy jump, and yeah, that was the first traction point. And then there you go, bang on to the speed breaker. Slid, hit the tree, and yep, all's well. Shakti helped me pull the bike out onto one side. We should have definitely taken we should have recorded how we dragged the bike onto one side. Yep, bike, the beating that the motorcycle has taken. Nothing on this side, nothing. Yeah, the windshield is cracked, the windshield extender has cracked, the handlebar is intact, buckbusters are intact. I have to go and check my headlamp cowl if all's well. The Vietera seems to be intact, headlamp seems to be intact. And what else? Yeah, this part I'll have to go home and fix again, maybe. Yeah, there's a bit of fixing done about that. What else? The barkbusters took the impact. Windshield has cracked on this side as well. So it's usually the windshield, like I've always said. With the Himalayan, any drop, any hit, you kind of crack your windshield. This side of the motorcycle is also fine, totally fine, absolutely fine. Really, really pleased with how this motorcycle has performed. A straight head-on collision with the tree, and all's well. All's well, just a few minor niggles. And yep, that's about it. Shakti, thank you so much. We did a jump together. He landed on a better spot. I landed on maybe I landed a little too far away from where I intended on landing, and so yeah, I had very little room to brake. And it's a decline, as you guys can see, it goes down. So no matter how hard you brake, you're definitely going to be if not for the tree, I could have cleared this. I could have ran onto the other side and maybe had a casual fall or a scrape, but the tree kind of helped in cutting the speed down. So yep, that is part of the deal when you are on trails and you are on no man's land.